This program comes to you from WAMU, part of American University in Washington, distributed by NPR. I'm Jen White. This is One Episode. Support for NPR comes from this station and from USPS. With the speed of business changing, USPS is committed to changing with it. More at USPS.com/new routes. The United States Postal Service, priority you. From Progressive Insurance with Spectrum, which monitors safe driving habits, and a personalized at progressive.com. Not available in California and North Carolina or from all agents. And from the Lemelson Foundation. CNN has become the most popular shopping app in America. This Chinese e-commerce giant has its own production team and makes its clothes overseas. Its low prices attract millions. It pays more paying for your clothes. We'll take a closer look at this multi-billion-dollar enigma that's upending every setting made in the fashion industry. Next time on One Hour.
Small thing here, 89.5 WHRV, local media 5 WHRV, North La Pointe, 91 WHRF, North Salina, 91.9 WHRV, Eastport, 88.1 WHRF, and Florida, streaming live at WHRV.org, Republic Media, Virginia.
Support comes from Virginia Stage Company's 43rd season, celebrating this brilliant life with shows Out on the Hudson Road, Dream Girls, Every Great Thing, a reimagined Christmas concert, and more. Memberships at vastage.org.
Got rain, and most likely tomorrow, so be with us for a few days, so get out and enjoy today. Sunday night, Tuesday, sunny, highs near 84, decent clouds tonight, low back around 68. Tomorrow, listed cloudy, 60% chance of showers, highs near 80, 70% chance of showers tomorrow night, possibly a thunderstorm, cloudy, lows back around 69 degrees, 177 in Tampa. So 11 o'clock at 89.5 WHRV, thanks for joining us.
And senators hammered out the details on a $1 trillion infrastructure plan. But can the rest of Congress seal the deal? From WAMU and NPR in Washington, this is One Hour.